Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to my channel on do-it-yourself home projects and real home product reviews. I am an obsessive handyman wannabe / dad looking to save y'all time and money out there. In this video, we're going to be reviewing a vintage retro cooler. How beautiful is this? I love the red color. Now this thing happens to be a couple of years old. I'm going to put a link in the description below if you're interested for this or a similar model. But you can see here the color is held up beautifully. We've got stainless steel handles there and a little bit of a rubberized grip, making it easy to pick up and comfortable to pick up. Here is the locking mechanism. It is stainless steel, so that basically means rust free. And look inside here. You can click that link below if you want the exact specifications on how much this thing holds. I think it kind of depends on what you're putting in there and how you want to measure that. But now the manufacturer boasts that ice can stay cold and frozen for up to 4 days at 90-degree temperatures, which is awesome. Here's a quick look at the drain plug mechanism. A little piece of plastic there, nothing particularly special about that, but it does seal really nicely. Never had issues with a leak at all. And there's a look at the top there for you. A little dirty or so, but again, very durable, holds up well over 2 years or so of age. And again, beautiful, classic, kind of retro vintage look to a cooler, which I think is awesome. There's another look at the outside of it. And that's about it. Highly recommended little cooler. Hopefully this video has been helpful in you making a good purchasing decision. For more do-it-yourself home projects and real product reviews, be sure to subscribe. Thanks for being with me.